Keyword research that works. On the internet, keywords are terms or words that relate to particular topics. Keyword research will involve various aspects, such as finding sales-oriented keywords or driving maximum qualified users to increase their online sales. Keyword research is the first step towards a successful search engine optimization campaign. You have to be very careful in selecting keywords, as it can be very tricky to select targeted keywords for a website. The selection of keywords should always be based on various aspects such as product names, services, brands, or general terms. Oftentimes, people forget about targeting geographical terms when they have global presence. When doing keyword research, it's highly recommended to do a very thorough market research analysis to find the best keywords used by search engines to find products and services online, and find out what keywords are targeted by competitors who are doing well in marketing on the internet. The first step in finding the best keywords is to make a list of the products, topics, and services that you offer. You can also make good use of your website logs to know which keywords have brought you the traffic in the past. Be sure to select keywords that clearly define your business and products to drive traffic from the search engines. There are some websites which get high levels of traffic through general keywords, although they might not end up being sales. Today, users of search engines are aware of how they work for searching products and services on the net. Users always look for the better products, locations, etc. Therefore, you should cover all terms for each, products, locatins, etc. There are numerous tools available which will help you identify keywords that are suitable for search engines. The challenge here is to determine which keyword is the best to generate traffic.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.